Well, if you're sued by a bank, the first thing you should do is you shouldn't panic. You should not feel embarrassed. This is a situation that a lot of people find themselves in, and we believe that the banks actually created this situation with the excessive interest rates and the free availability of credit that they give people, and then they turn around and they just raise the rates to a point people can't afford them. Now, don't go throwing that lawsuit out, though. Oftentimes people get frustrated when they get served. I know a lot of consumer protection attorneys, including myself, that say the client usually shows up without the lawsuit because they've thrown it away. So you need to keep the relevant paperwork for the lawsuit. Also, with respect to the particular account you're being sued on, if you have any relevant paperwork, you need to get all of that together. Now, you need to be very careful because lawsuits are time sensitive with respect to getting them answered. So you need to look and you need to find out exactly when this particular answer is due. And that'll usually be on what they call the citation or the summons you receive from the lawsuit. After you get this paperwork in hand, I'd strongly suggest that you do contact a good consumer defense attorney, someone you feel comfortable with that's able to handle your case in litigation, because if you don't do that and you're going to try and handle this lawsuit on your own, oftentimes, even if you do actually answer the lawsuit, you're still going to run into some trouble with respect to how to answer some of the procedural discovery devices that are served within the lawsuit. That's why it's very, very important to have that attorney by your side so he can help raise the proper objections with respect to the lawsuit, and he can raise the proper objections with respect to any type of discovery they're trying to get from you in order to basically win the lawsuit without you even being able to go to court. There's things like requests for admissions and different items that they'll throw in the lawsuit that'll try to preclude you from being able to put on a defense. Oftentimes, too, you might have a claim against them because they might have violated the law in trying to collect from you. So again, you need an attorney to be able to properly put on those defenses for you. It's just very, very important. I mean, if I was sick, I would go to the doctor. I'm not an expert in medicine. I truly believe that if somebody is in a legal situation that requires you to go to the courthouse or even has the potential of a potential lawsuit coming up against you, you definitely need to hire legal representation or at least go for a legal consultation. Most consumer defense attorneys, including our firm, offers a free attorney consultation. So you really have nothing to lose, and at the very least, you'll leave there with more knowledge than when you came in.